I was introduced to Southwest Solutions Group through a museum conference. Once we began our partnership, Southwest Solutions assisted in creating a new compact storage system and a flat file solution for our archival storage area. The project was extremely successful, and we were pleased to continue working with SSG. We were able to change cabinetry and go through several iterations. The staff's familiarity with the product and helpful recommendations alleviated the stress of selecting the perfect types of cabinetry. In addition, they were able to take challenging space and make the compact system work for it. We were able to greatly increase our storage capacity, and the installation was quick and stress-free.